Bore da, I'm in Llanmachra today, up in the hills outside Dolgella. 3 bedrooms in this one, sleep 7.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town. See the beautiful.
So upstairs we've got 1 double bedroom and then a 2nd bedroom with 3 single beds. There is a 4th pull-out bed up there as well if you need it. But then downstairs you've got a 3rd double bedroom and with its own ensuite. Lovely big inglenook fireplace in this one and a lovely kitchen next door as well. Real character in this one, I think, and a great setting as well. We're surrounded by woodlands and green fields all around us. The Precipice Walk is just down the road, and then you've got places like Coed y Brenin on your doorstep as well, and Dolgella, that's a lovely market town with nice shops and cafes for you. Let's go have a look. Bye.
Blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for 2. Darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I want